Hi viewers, welcome back to Maths Magic Academy. Today I am going to tell about one of the most important basic concept, that is HCF and LCM. And viewers, before going to watch this video, please click on the like button and there will be subscribe button. If not yet subscribed my channel, please click on subscribe button and click on the bell icon. Okay, we'll watch the video. HCF is nothing but highest common factor. It is also called as greatest common divisor. So greatest and highest both are similar, and common is similar, and factor divisor. So here factors or divisors, both are same or not? What are the factors of 4? Can you say, any one of you? What are the factors of 4? Factors of 4 are 1, 2, 4. Right or not? What are the factors of 8? See, what are the factors of 4? That is 1, 2, 4. What are the factors of 8? So 1, 2, 4 and 8. Is it or not? The factors of 8. 1, 2, 4, 8. And what are the factors of 12? 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. Is it or not? Children, can you remember the factors? So in which table that number is going to be divisible? Those are nothing but factors. So the factors of 4 are 1, 2, 4. The factors of 8 are 1, 2, 4, 8. The factors of 12 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 12. In these all the factors, what is the highest and common? Here highest number 12 is there. In this all highest number is 12 is there. 12 is common in this? No. So 12 is not a highest common factor. Now 6 is not present here. 6 is not present here. So it is also not a highest common factor. Next we will go for 4. Here 4 is there. Here also 4 is there. Here also 4 is there. So 4 is the highest common factor of 4, 8, 12. So that we can say the HCF of 4, 8, 12 is 4. Like that, by writing the factors we can write very simple. So likewise we have two methods to find the HCF or GCD. Those two methods, one of the method is prime factorization method and the other method is division method. Prime factorization method and division method. We will see what is a prime factorization method first of all. Here the product of the smallest power of each common prime factors of the numbers. So prime factors. Before going to do the HCF, first we have to do the prime factors of the given numbers. Here factors is different, prime factors are different. Factors are different, prime factors are different. How to find the prime factors of a given number? See, simply we will do the tree method so that we can find the prime factors. See, I want to find the prime factors of 4. What I can write? 2 2s are 4. Like that. What are the prime factors of 8? 8 can be 2 4s. Beginning prime number is 2. That's why I am taking 2. 2 4s are 8. Again, 2 2s are 4. Next, like 12. How to write 12? 2 6 are 12. 2 3s are now 2 2 3. These all are prime numbers only. See, from this 4 can be written as 2 into 2. 2 into 2. From this 8 can be written as 2 into 2 into 2. So 2 into 2 into 2. And here 12 can be written as 2 into 2 into 3. 2 into 2 into 3. Okay. Now you have to write these are in powers, that is 2 power 2, and here 2 power 3, and here 2 power 2 into 3 power. Now we will go for the definition. Product of the smallest power of, so HCF is nothing but product of the smallest power of each common prime factors. So where is the smallest power here? 2 power 2, 2 power 3, 2 power 2. This 2 power is all common only. In this smallest is what? 2 power 2. Here also 2 power 2 is there. In this also 2 power 2 is there. Here also 2 power 2 is there. So 2 power 2. And only common prime factors only we have to take. You should not say take 3. 3 is not common in these two. So that we have to take only 2 power 2. 2 power 2 is what? 4. So the HCF of 4, 8, 12 is 4. In the previous class, when we written the factors, that time also we find the HCF is 4. Same like that, here also we find the HCF is 4. This is nothing but prime factorization method. We will go for one more example and try to solve this. Here one more example, 200 and 320. Find the HCF of 200 and 320 by using prime factorization method. How to find? So first you have to write 200 as prime factors. So go for the tree method or short division method. That is, suppose if you are taking 200, I am doing with 2 first, 2 hundreds, and next 2 5s 10 and 0, 2 50s, and next 2 25s. Now here 25 will not divided by 2, so that I will go for 5. 5 5s 25. So that I can write this 200 as 2 into 2 into 2, 2 into 2 into 2 into 5 into 5. Is it or not? Now here how many is there? 2 into 2 into 2, 2 power 3. Here 5 into 5, 5 power 2. Like that, what is there? 320 is there. For this 320 also we have to find short division method. See this one, how can I do? With 2 only I will start. 2 ones are 2 and 1 will be there. 1 and 2, 12. 2 6 are 12 and 0. Again with 2, 2 8s are 16, 0. Again with 2, 2 4s are 8, 0. Again with 2, 2 20s 40. Again 2 10s are 20. Again 2 5s. So now here what is that? 2 2 2 2 2 2 into 5. So 320 can be written as 1 2 3 4 5 6. So 2 power 6 into 5. 2 power 6 into 5. Now HCF. According to the definition, what we have to go for? Common factors. What are the common factor? 2 power 3 here is there. Here also 2 power 3 will be there, no? 2 power 6 is nothing but 2 power 3 into 2 power 3. That means here 2 power 3, here also 2 power 3 is there. So you have to take down 2 power 3. The common part is 2 power 3. And here 5 power 2, 5 power 1. Which is common? 5 power 2 or 5 power 1? 5 power 1. So 5 power 1. So 2 power 3 is nothing but 2 into 2 into 2. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. So 8 into 5 power 1, 5. So 8 5s 40. So the HCF of 200 and 320 is 40. Okay, this is nothing but prime factorization of HCF. Now we will go for division method. How to find the HCF by using division method? By taking one simple example, we will discuss the division method. What is the HCF of 60, 72 and 96? Before going to find the HCF of these three numbers, we have to follow 3 steps. The step 1, first you have to choose any 2 numbers. Divide the large number. Suppose I am taking 60 and 72. 60 and 72. divide the large number, that is 72, by small number. Divide the large number by small number. Now here what do we get? 60 ones 60, and you will get the remainder is 2 and here 12. This is step 1, and you go for step 2. What is the step 2? Divide the divisor by the remainder. Divide the divisor by the remainder. So like 12, this 60 will be carry forward to here. Until to getting the remainder 0, we have to repeat this process. Now 12 5 60. So the remainder is 0. Whenever we got the remainder 0, then we have to stop the process. And now what is the divisor in this place? That is nothing but HCF. Now it is HCF of, what are the numbers? 60, 72. But what we have to find? The HCF of 60, 72 and 96. Next, whatever the HCF you got for the two numbers, with that answer, you have to do the division process for this 96 also. That is 12, 96. So here 12 8s or 96. So here we got the remainder 0. Therefore, HCF of 60, 72 and 96 is 12. Now we will go for one more example. What is the HCF of 26 and 455? By using division method. See here, simply you can take small number 26 and big number 455. Here 45 is more than 26. So that we can say 26 2s are 52. It is more. So that 26 ones 26. So the remainder is 9 and here 1. So if you take 5 will be carried down. Now 195. So 195 is how many times with 26? 26 sevens. 7 6 42, 7 2 is 14 and 18. So 26 sevens 182. The remainder is 3, here 1. Now with this remainder we have to divide the divisor, that is 26. So here 13 2s 26. So the remainder is 0. Whenever the remainder is 0, then this is nothing but HCF. So HCF of 26 and 455 is 13. Okay.